Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt China. We specialized in the common rail inject, and each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. And today we want to share you some of our product. Let's check the product. This is injector repair kit. This one can be fitted in these two injector. Yep. And later I will get one injector as an example for you. Okay, first let's check the details of our repair kit, and I will got one fuel injector for you as an example. Okay, let's check it. Look at this part in the surface of our bags. The first line is the model numbers. It is used in 640503 C13.C15.C18. Actually, for this kind of repair kit, it can be used not only one fuel injector. Later, I will get one type as an example for you. And for our package bags, actually, maybe some customers, if you have the need, like the customized services, right? And you can contact us. We Shumatt, we supply the service, like we can design the label, the bags. And if you have your own brand, if you want to design your logo, yeah, it's okay. You can contact us and we can help you to design it. Okay, let's check the details. I will open it to see the inside, and also I will got one to see more details about our fuel injector. Yes, for this one is a little bit heavy, right? And for this repair, it can be fitted in the two types. Just now I just show you, right? And now I got one fuel injector. Let's open it to see the repair kit, the accessories. For bags, it can be used in many times. It's recyclable. Okay, look at the cute things. It's small and cute, but the usage of our repair kit is very the usage is very big. Okay. Let's check the details of our sealing rings. For our sealing rings, you can see here we have the blue, the brown, the black, the red. We have different colors, and also you can look at this one. This one we have the different shipment, right? This one the shipment is different from the others. And the color and the shipment can be better distinguish the different part for the fuel injectors. It can be used in the different part. Some of our sealing rings, it can be used in the outside part, and some of the sealing rings, it can be used in the inside part. And actually, if you have the questions, you can contact us. We can help you to figure it. Look at this one. This is the nozzle cap. This is a cap. Look at it. It can be used in this part. Can be better protect. Right? For our sealing rings, we really have the very good qualities, because the sealing rings can be better avoid the loose, and it can be better protect our fuel injectors, avoid the air, avoid the liquid, liquid, and avoid the loose. Yep. And about our repair kit, we also have the 6 months warranties. Yes, don't worry about our qualities. yes, we have the confidence to ensure you the warranty. Okay, that's all about our product details. If any information, if you are interested or if you want to know, remember to contact us. Actually, we have different models and of our injector and our repair kit. And if you are not familiar with our product or our models, you can send us the numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Okay, actually for the product, we must know the warranty, right? The warranties of our product, we have the 6 months warranties. Yep. For our customers, don't need to worry about the qualities. Yeah, during the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, and you can contact us, we can exchange the product for you. Okay, that's all about the product we are showing today. Actually, we will have the different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. My next topic will be more exciting. I really want to see you at our next videos. Okay, if you are interested, remember to follow us at the YouTube and the Facebook account. Actually, except that we also supply the injector, the repair kit. Also, we supply the nozzles and the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Any items, if you are interested, remember to follow us at the YouTube and Facebook account. And any questions, if you would like to know, remember to contact us. Okay, that's all about our product details. Welcome to contact us. Yes. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye. Remember to follow us at the YouTube and Facebook account. Thank you for watching.